were able to share with me.
Oh, no.
And I might offer this up as a third quiz for next week if you want to grab it. I have to find it.
I can do it.
What's that?
I can do it.
Good.
Now.
Well, hang on. I have to find it. Deleted. I didn't save it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be down here. I sent it to you.
I'm not even sure if it's there anymore, to be honest.
No, it's in my deleted it. I just forgot to.
No, I mean the actual image.
Oh, it's there. I found it this morning.
Oh, well.
I sent it. I couldn't find you by name though. All right. I'm gonna have to find it. I'll find it. I'll find it and share with you guys later. I'll find it at the break and share it with you guys. A couple of neat little math problems that are related to the way you've been thinking in here, and because the way you've been thinking in here is not the traditional way you think algebraically. So I'll call it up at the break. I can't find it immediately right now. So rather than start with that, we will start instead with. Hang on. You guys still have your data from the die rolls from Wednesday. Remember at the very end of class, it's gone.
Yeah.
I have.
You have it. Who's got it? We have some. Let's get that up here. The idea was I didn't want to. Okay, so what I did was I redid.
Found it.
Good. Excellent. Email it to me again if you don't mind.
I was actually going to.
What I want to do is I want to get your data into. Here we go. I want to get your data up here. So if you guys have your data from Wednesday, wander up here and enter in the data that you've got. So who has the data from Wednesday? A couple hands went up. We got 3 or 4 of you. That's all we have? But you guys have lots of data? You guys did lots of it, yes?
Let's just re-roll it again.
Well, the problem, we could do that if we need more. So Maddie, let's just use an example. Give me your data from the die repeat.
Hey.
How many 2s, how many 3s, how many 4s, and so forth?
I got it right here.
You got yours?
3
Okay.
2s.
3 2s, let me get this real quick. 3 2s. 'This is why I called class early a little bit on Wednesday, because it would take it too long to do.
Is that the repeat on all sides?
That's the one.
Yeah, I got it.
Good. What I want to show you is I want to show you how we're going to. I know some of you need the program, so I want to share it with you guys that didn't get it. Some of you may need to do it again, but I want to show you how we're going to collect the data here. And I'm going to turn the camera off so we can actually do the collection. So, you got 3 2s,
7 3s.
7 3s,
12 4s.
12 4s, thank you, sir.
6 5s.
6 5s, beautiful.
2 6s.
2 6s and no 7s.
No 7s.
Okay, so this is what happened with Matt's results. When he used the program, I know some of you still need it, and I will share it with you momentarily. When he ran the coins program, and he kept going until he saw a repeat of a number. Now, it doesn't tell you, the program doesn't tell you which number repeats, it just tells you how long you go until you get a repeat. So there were let's just say 18. Well, it doesn't matter. 3 trials where it took 2 until a repeat, 7 until 3, 12 until 4, 6 until 5, 2 until 6, and so forth and so on. Make sense? So what I want you guys to do is to collect your data in the same way. Make sure you know how many of each of those you have as well, yes? Now, that was the repeat. The program also gives you until you see all the sides. So Matt, do you have those? You have to collect those, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Okay, so this might take us...
I mean, I have them.
You still have them? Are they all like in individual numbers? You have to collect them into... Okay, so let's take a few minutes right now and get that data again in an organized form. I see beautiful numbers, beautiful strings of numbers. Let's collect that. Let's collect our data. Take a few minutes right now to collect that data into a logical form. Because what Matt had to do just then was he had to go through and count. How many 2s do I have? How many 3s do I have? How many 4s do I have? So what I want you guys to do right now with that data from last time is kind of set up a chart like I've got up here where this is the number of rolls needed, 2 through 7. 2's the minimum you can have until you see a repeat. 7's the maximum you can have until you see a repeat. And then keep track of how many 3 2s, 7 3s, 12 4s, 6 5s, 2 6s, and 0 7. Make a little chart in your notes of your data to organize it like that. That way when you put your stuff in Excel, it's much, much easier as you come up here. Then you gotta do the same thing for the other one, which is number of times you roll a die until you see all the faces, which is this one here. Now this one, your table might be a little bit longer. This one last term took us till 59 to do. So what you might want to do is start at 6, because 6 is the minimum, and then go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a little laundry list in your notes, and then keep track. You've got all these numbers from class, just copy them into that chart. Get it organized, and then I'm going to wander around. I'll help you if you get stuck. And I'm going to wander around, and some of you still need the program. I'm going to share it with you guys. If you have the program but you lost your data, do it right now a few times. Run the program a few times with 6 sides for a coin, 6-sided coin, otherwise known as a die. Okay? Good. Work on that right now. Let me stick your hand up if you need the program, because I know some of you do.